Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? And I hope you all are fine. Now you all must be wondering for the daily reading, why is it that the cards have been spread like this? So today is Beltane, a festival of WICCA, very special to me. So I have brought in a Beltane spread. It will not speak about how your day will go today in the starting, but in the end I will pull out a card to see how is your day today. So this is basically a Beltane spread. It has 3 cards, 1, 2 and 3. The first set of cards will talk about whatever goals you have been working on of late, maybe since 2022 or maybe of recently, whatever you have started. Will those goals be successful? Will you be successful in achieving what you have desired or planned for that goals? So the first card which is coming is a cross card, 2 of air. Now when I see this, I feel there are 2-3 choices which will come in front of you. You will feel as if things are not working, or in the beginning you would have felt that it's not working. Maybe it is not meant for you, maybe the time has not come for your work to happen, or you are stuck between 2 choices, you are stuck between 3 choices, and you're not understanding how to take the right decision or how to move forward when it comes to those goals. But if you see here, a lot of ways are coming up. There are a lot of guidances or ideas which you're getting. As I was saying, a lot of guidances you're getting. People are giving you quite good ideas, and now you feel as if yes, things may work in place. Now the last card basically is a transformation. So yes, your goals will transform into reality. Things will happen the way you want it to happen, and you will feel happy. Happy why? Because the goals will happen, there will be a transformation, there will be all the blessings will be in your favor. Now whenever we work on these goals, there must be certain things which is stopping the goals from happening. So what should you do for these obstacles not to happen? What has to be done? Okay, now you need to look out for people who might be having a jealousy towards you, or who might be having an eye on what you're doing and how you're doing, or trying to stop you, like by saying no, I don't think it's the right thing to do, or maybe the business will not happen, maybe there'll be a loss, like those type of things. People will put you down. So you need to stop listening to those people and their advices. That's the first card which is come. The next card, Book of Shadows. Now usually Book of Shadows means secret. Maintain this as a secret. Don't go around telling people what is your plan, what is your idea, what are you planning to do, and how are you planning to. So keep it secret so that it becomes successful. When it is successfully done, that time the world can know. For now, keep it as a secret. Now the third thing, okay, this is a beautiful card. Keep exploring, keep bringing in new ideas. Stop. See here, if you see here, there is a bird, there are 2 ravens. Okay, now one raven, there's a thread over there, there's a where a person can hang. But if you see that thing, the bird is not ready to do that, and it's ready to fly high. So look at it from that point of view. If someone is putting you down, if someone is stopping you and telling you don't do this, then it means you have to do it and just go ahead with it. So what is likely to happen? Now I have told you whether it will be happening or not, what all you should avoid to it to happen. So will it happen? Like, what is the outcome overall? Now that's a beautiful card. I see this as a fulfillment card. I feel as if everything is set here, everything is in place. The next card also is a beautiful card. You will be successful. I feel angel blessings, though it's the element of air. But if you see here, the air and the fire, when they meet together, the fire becomes more powerful. So a lot of success is definitely there, and you will make your own circle. This is a circle card. But again, when I see this card, I see as a full life complete, everything in my control. So overall, I'm sure your whatever it is that you have planned for this year is going to be successful. I shall give you certain tips. What you can do is, on Fridays, take a green candle and draw the symbol Fehu in that, Fehu. It's a rune symbol. You can draw Fehu in that and burn that on every Fridays, so that whatever it is related to your project is becoming successful, abundance is coming. On every Thursday, what you can do is, you can chant 1 or 8 times Om Gam Ganapate Namaha till your project is successful. And on Thursdays, what you should do is, you should burn a lamp with gingerly oil. Okay, and on Saturdays, go to some Hanuman Mandir, and if you cannot go to Hanuman Mandir, then hear the Hanuman Chalisa. It will bring in beautiful wonders. On Sunday, in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, offer some rice to the crow and ask the Surya Bhagwan or the sun god to bless you with abundance and energy, that your project becomes a success and you are happy that things are working in your favor. And on Monday, feed a stray dog. Always, every Monday till your project is successful, feed a stray dog, and you will find things going beautifully. And overall, throughout this whole period, carry a carnelian and a tiger's eye with you. Keep it with you, carnelian and tiger's eye. And if possible, every day in the morning, have bath with rose water till your project is successful. Now let's see how is the day today. So because it's Beltane, I am going to bring in my cards, the Avalon cards, which I really love. So the card says movement. So today things will be good. There'll be a lot of movement. Maybe I have given certain tips through my full moon, through my Amavasi and Beltane video. So you all will be busy on your toes doing the rituals and tips which I have given, sending me photos and enjoying Beltane. So I hope you all have a blessed Beltane. Today in my altar, I shall pray that you all get all your desires fulfilled, everything that you want to happen in life happens, and things keep moving in your life the way the card is also showing. Have a blessed day, have a beautiful day. May God bless you all with all the happiness. May all the gods and goddesses always keep blessing you so that you be happy and you keep smiling. Thank you.